Love is giving another person what they need the most when they deserve it the least, at great personal cost. Play that out in your mind. That's exactly what Jesus did on the cross. You do understand that emotionally, Jesus did not want to go to the cross for you or me? Do you remember when he prayed in the garden? He was anxious. He was overwhelmed. He asked people to pray. He said, Father, if there's any way, nevertheless, not my will, but yours. He chose to die in your place and mine because love isn't a feeling. It's a choice. It's a commitment. See, the problem in getting our mind around love and God and us is the word is so used and abused. It's just wrapped in emotion and wrapped in romance or wrapped in sexuality. And that's certainly an aspect of love, but love fundamentally is a disposition or a choice that wants the other person's best no matter the cost. It's a selflessness. It's a longing for the other person's best.